TENK, stock analysis, and TENK, stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With 10x Kanye acquisition stock, first of all, we don't have that much data, and second of all, you bet that I'm just still trying to double down on this bullishness from a day/swing trade perspective, and because we're like 200% off for the day, which is a lot. And the way that I'm looking at it is this, this is a 5 minute. Looking for like a 1 minute accumulation. So just to make things clear, if the price pulls down just a little bit deeper, just enough for it to reach the point, that's exactly what I'm waiting for, and then hopefully taking higher. So I'm just gonna say a quick little quote here that I am waiting for the rules to be met in order for me to take it higher. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's free, so hopefully that will work for you.